John McKeag here, liberty8academy.org. All right, this is our courses here. School of Private Wealth Management. Learn how to run your wealth. That's it. Make some wealth. No one takes it from you. Okay, you want this McKeag Mastery Edition Trust, all right? And so what we're going to go over now is the tax issue of, we're going to say, never pay. You never have to pay past taxes. Okay. See, I went over why this is a tax exempt trust. You see to say, and watch that last video I just made. You'll love it. But we go through every detail. Okay, of why it's tax exempt. So okay, so oh what? That's fantastic. Now, so you're operating this tax exempt trust. Okay, and you don't report nothing like that, right? And so it's like, okay, don't pay past taxes. What does that mean? Well, yeah, think about it. Okay, you're operating this new entity, okay, this trust, and after you open that bank account, you got that right. Then you close the accounts for your business called your person, right, for that corporate entity. Isn't that great? Okay, so you don't own anything. The person, you, which you think of as you, is just a business called a person. So that business, it doesn't have bank account, doesn't have assets, doesn't have expenses, doesn't have anything. You see what I'm saying? And so therefore it qualifies for things like EBT card and Medicaid, Medicare, blah blah blah, other things because you're sue for free. Your person, your business called the person is now indigent, has nothing. Nothing coming in, no revenue, has nothing. You see? And so it has no assets, nothing to protect. So let's say you have past taxes. Okay. You open up the trust, start operating from the trust. It's not yours, right? You're just trustee. So any problems you have with the IRS melt away instantly because you don't have any. You, i.e., your person, has nothing. You just beat them by opening this trust. You beat every tax issue from doing this. The IRS immediately has stopped any problem generating anything with anyone, you know, that was operating their person and other business entities as soon as they open the trust. Why? They're the ones that issue the EIN. They're the ones that know this is a tax exempt direction and that you just beat them. You see what I'm saying? Why are they going to continue to pursue this when they get that you just got it and there's nothing they can do? You see, so when a client has come to us with any past tax issues, they immediately go away. As soon as you open up the trust, put everything in the trust. It's not your, sorry, I don't have anything. I mean, you're the only one on the account, so. But you're trustee. It's not mine. Isn't that clever? See, it's a trick they pulled, right? To get out of paying taxes. But now, guess what? We found out about it. Oh, it can apply to anyway. You can operate like the super rich now. Oh, I don't have anything. Yeah, I don't have anything either. So I'll take an EBT card. I'll take what's the free stuff you got? Give me all the free stuff from a person. You see, that's how you never, never have to pay past taxes, income tax of any kind, no matter what the problem is. And I've had millions. I've had clients come with I a $1 million plus lawsuit from the IRS. Bloop, gone. Anyway, no past taxes on the two. Isn't that a wonderful thing? Okay.